Namaste, Prema from LG Electronics. Today's recipe we are making for the chocolate oats wheat cookies. So for the ingredients, so here I taken for 50 grams of the butter, like you can use it for the 1 cup measurement also. 1 cup of the butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of wheat flour, 2 cup of oats. So for the topping we can use for the choco chips. Coloring I am using for the cocoa powder, and this is for the baking powder. So first we can use it here. So we can use the 50 grams of butter on this. And this is a sugar powder, we can add it. And for this I can add for the cocoa powder. And we can mix well. So nicely when you are mixing, it comes to the creamy part on this. Okay, see this, it comes to the nicely mix up on this. So now for this I can add for the wheat flour with the baking powder, and I can add for the oats also on this one. So we can make for the soft dough on this. So we'll mix up. First we can use for the spatula, then we can use for the mixing for the hand mixer. Okay, see the dough get ready now. So this is you want to make for the different shapes. Whichever the shape you want to make, you can make the shape here, and you can keep it on the multi-cook pan. So here you can make a nice shape on this. So in the top of this you can make for the choco chips also. You can put the choco chips like this. Just you can fill it on the choco chips in this one. Similar you want to make for all the thing. So for this one, so now we can use for the convection. So 200 degrees we'll do for the preheat the oven. So once unless the preheating get done, we can make for the, this is the shapes on this. See now the choco chips will be made for the ready. So it's get for the 200 degree preheated also, it's get done. Preheated also it's get done. And once the preheating get done, we'll open the door, keep inside, close the door, set the time for 15 minutes. Start. Okay. See now the cookies is ready. Just you can see inside. Nicely baked. Okay. Thank you.